everybody. Today I challenge Orange and his own game. So if you aren't aware, prop hunts. Oh, okay. For a second I thought prop hunt was just basically dead. No one liked it. But anyways, if you don't know, Orange has this game called Find the Kittens, and now I want to beat him at his own game. Before I did one with my phone, but you know that won't go well. Wait, find the doggos? Come on. Anyways, this is Find the Kittens, and yeah. Reason why I'm playing Find the Kittens is just because I want to beat Orange. Anyways, I'm gonna start a 1 minute timer. You can only have one kitten currently on your bag. That's just the rule. One minute. Start. Already 37 seconds. Is this gonna be worse than my first one? No! Oh my god, this is gonna be worse than my first one. I remember some early kittens I could get. Come on, at least one more kitten, Get go inside there! At least one more. Let's actually break the ice. Oh, nice. Nice, I found the code for the break that ice. Okay, that's it for this video. Goodbye, and I'm probably gonna get crushed like a piece of ham by Orange. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Goodbye, and watch Orange right now.